Next example, sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC or respectively. This type of problems are very important. Okay, here given sides AC, BD and median AD of a triangle ABC or respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. See in the figure. Here we have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Given sides AB, BC and median AD. We know median divides line segment in equal parts. Okay. Here AB, BC, AD proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM. Okay, it means AB by PQ, BC by QR and which is equal to AD by PM. Okay, here AD and PM are medians. Okay. This is equation 1. Okay. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR which is equal to AD by PM. Okay. Here we don't have AC by PR. Okay. So SSS not satisfied. Okay. And AB, AD and PM are medians. Okay. AD is median of triangle ABC. Okay. So AD divides BC. Okay. AD divides BC in equal parts. Okay. So BC equal to BD plus DC. Okay. Here AD divides median in equal parts. So here BD equal to BC. Okay, here D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, D is midpoint of BC. Okay, BD equal to DC. Okay. In same way, PM is midpoint of triangle PQR. Okay. PM is median of triangle PQR. Okay. PM divides line segment QR in equal parts. Okay. So M is midpoint of QR. Okay. So QM equal to MR. QM equal to MR. Okay. Here given ratio AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. Okay, this is the given ratio. Okay, we know BC equal to BD plus DC. Okay, BC equal to BD plus DC. Okay, instead of DC we write BD. Okay, instead of DC we write BD. BD plus BD, 2BD equal to BC. Okay, instead of BC we write 2BD. Okay, Q QR. QR equal to QM plus MR. We know QM equal to MR. Okay, in place of QR we write 2QM. Okay, QR equal to QM plus MR. Here M is the midpoint of QR. So QM equal to MR. In place of MR we write QM. QM plus QM equal to QR. Okay, 2QM equal to QR. Instead of QR we write 2QM. Here 2 get cancelled. Therefore ratio is AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM, which is equal to AD by PM. Okay, see, triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Okay, here corresponding sides ratios are equal. Okay, corresponding sides are in proportion. Here using SASS criterion, these two figures, triangle ABD and triangle PQM are similar. Okay, here using SSS similarity criteria, triangle, smaller triangles, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Okay, triangle ABD, smaller triangles, is similar to triangle PQM. Okay, here these two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are equal. Here angle A equal to angle P and angle B equal to angle Q and angle D equal to angle M. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay, angle B equal to angle Q. Here we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, consider triangles ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, angle B equal to, we know angle B equal to angle Q, corresponding angles. Angle B equal to angle Q. Okay, and given AB by PQ, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Okay, here angle B equal to angle Q, corresponding angles are equal, and angle including sides are in proportion. Okay, it means AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Okay, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. This is given. Okay, these are corresponding sides. Okay, so here using SAS. Okay, this is angle, and angle including sides are in same ratio. Here using SAS similarity criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hence proved. Is it clear? This question are very important.